Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and powerful tutorial, we'll show you how to compare two columns in Google Sheets and find either duplicate or missing values using simple formulas. No add-ons required. Let's start with a common scenario. You have two lists of data and you want to identify which values are present in both columns. Here's our example. Column B contains list 1 and column C contains list 2. To find values that exist in both columns, enter the following formula in cell A2. After pressing enter, the formula will automatically check each value in column B and display yes in column A if that value is also found in column C. This is great for quick cross-checking, whether you're comparing product lists, email contacts, or any sets of data. Now, what if you want to do the opposite? Let's find the values that are only in one list, but not the other. To extract values that are in list 1 but not in list 2, enter this formula in cell C2, press enter. And just like that, you'll see all values in column A that do not exist in column B. Want to reverse it? To find values in list 2 but not in list 1, simply flip the references in the formula like this. This flexible method helps you clean up data, validate records, and ensure accuracy in seconds. 1. Find duplicates with ArrayFormula plus MATCH 2. Extract missing values using FILTER plus ISNA plus MATCH 3. Reverse the formula to compare in either direction. Whether you're managing inventory or cleaning up mailing lists, these formulas are your go-to tools for efficient data comparison. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.